The girl with the warm blanket. In a snowy town, there was a girl named Emma. Emma had a soft, warm blanket. It was her favorite thing in the world. She used it every night to stay warm. One cold evening, Emma walked through the town square. She saw an old man sitting on a bench. He had no coat, no scarf, and no blanket. He was shaking from the cold. Emma stopped and looked at him. "Hello, sir," she said. "Are you cold?" The man nodded. "Yes, but I have no money to buy a blanket," he said. Emma thought for a moment. Then she took her own blanket and gave it to the man. "Here, take this," she said. The man's eyes filled with tears. "But this is your blanket. Won't you be cold?" he asked. Emma smiled. "I will be okay," she said. "You need it more than I do." The man wrapped the blanket around himself. "Thank you, kind girl. You have saved me from the cold," he said. That night, Emma felt a little cold in bed, but her heart was warm. The next morning, her neighbor came to visit. She brought a big, thick blanket for Emma. "I saw what you did for the old man," the neighbor said. "You are very kind. Here is a new blanket for you." Emma was surprised. "Thank you," she said. Emma learned something that day. When you give to others, kindness comes back to you. From that day, Emma always helped people in her snowy town. She knew that even a small act, like sharing a blanket, could make a big difference. And every cold night, Emma thought about the old man and smiled, knowing her kindness kept him warm.